If you've ever sent an email in Gmail and instantly regretted it, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recall an email in Gmail quickly, and I'll also show you how to increase your undo send time so you have a better chance of catching mistakes before they go out. This is a super useful Gmail trick for anyone who has ever sent the wrong message, attached the wrong file, or noticed a typo right after hitting send. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you sent the email. Once your email has been sent, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a small confirmation that says, "Message sent." Right next to that message, click undo as fast as you can. This only works within the short cancellation window, usually between 5 and 30 seconds, depending on your Gmail settings. If you click undo in time, Gmail will pull the email back and return it to drafts so you can make changes before sending it again. Now, if the undo time has already passed, don't worry, because you can still improve your chances for next time. Open this settings page in Gmail, mail.google.com/mail/u/0/#settings/general. Once the settings page loads, scroll until you find the undo send section. Here, you'll see the cancellation period option. Change that setting to 30 seconds, which gives you the maximum amount of time Gmail allows to undo a sent email. After that, make sure you save changes at the bottom of the page. From now on, every time you send an email, you'll have a longer window to recall it if something goes wrong. Just remember, Gmail's undo send is not the same as permanently deleting a delivered email from the recipient's inbox. It works by delaying the actual send for a few seconds, which is why acting quickly is so important. So the key steps are simple. Send your email, watch for message sent, click undo immediately, and if you need more time in the future, set undo send to 30 seconds in Gmail settings. That's the easiest way to recall an email in Gmail. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Gmail tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.